Look how big that rainbow is. I wonder if there's a massive pot of gold at the end of it. You reckon there is? Or you reckon that's just a myth? Check that thing out. That is massive. Wow. So not only do we have the massive rainbow and you can see all the colours, but if you pan around here you can see we've got blue sky all here, and then it's like the sky's on fire over there. Wow, what a world. But man, look at that rainbow. It's massive. Perfect symmetry as well. Crazy.